This video is about Jalandhara Bandh. Hi, my name is Jessie, and today I'm going to cover Jalandhara Bandh, or the throat lock. To begin, we want to make sure that we are sitting up tall. I love props, so I'm going to bring a pillow into the equation because oftentimes people have trouble stacking their spine up over their hips, their head over their spine. So if that is hard for you to do, please, please, please use a block. Use a cushion, use something to help you sit up tall. Now we want to bring our spine up tall, sit up tall, maybe even take our thumbs, place them into our armpits to help us lift the chest. We want to really lift up, lift, lift, lift. Inhale, bring the chin to the chest. Have the chest come up and meet the chin as we inhale. And exhale. Make sure that we keep the spine straight, and we are working to contract the throat. You should be able to make an H sound in the back of your throat. This is known as ujjayi breathing. And bringing the chin to the chest can help you practice the sound and the feel of the throat lock. We can start off with 3 to 5 breaths and stay with whichever prop you may need to sit up tall. You can sit comfortably in a seated position. Another option that we have is to sit in Vajrasana. We just want to make sure that we keep everything nice and straight, and we can do 3 rounds of the throat lock in order to build ourselves up and becoming a little more accustomed to it. So bring the chin to the chest, lifting the chest up to the chin as we inhale. Exhale, release. Inhale, lift the chin up towards the chest. Exhale, release. One more time. Exhale, release. Good job. Now sit comfortably and try to do it without dropping the chin to the chest, because the prana, the life force energy, needs a clear, straight path to channel through your body. So just try locking your throat and see if you're able to do it that way. Well done. The neck lock helps the thyroid and the parathyroid glands to operate optimally. It also helps activate the higher functions of the pituitary gland. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, click the gear notification button to see future videos. And you can check me out on Instagram if you like. Until next time, may love and light be yours. Namaste.